The next presenter is Ms. Yu Manna Perumal from the Department of Pharmacology, and her topic will be Stabilizing the Mood, the Many Facets.
Good morning. If you feel like you are the king of the country, then you will be having an extremely elated mood. But if you cannot control your mood and after some time you feel sad, depressed and in the brink of suicide, then that is how a person with bipolar disorder would feel like. What do we know about the sufferers of bipolar disorder in our society? My research tried to shed light on the many facets of mood stabilization of patients with bipolar disorder in Sri Lanka. Initially, I checked how they are treated in the clinics. They are getting drugs mainly for mood stabilization, mainly the drug lithium followed by sodium valproate. They also get drugs called antipsychotics. These drugs are known to cause a lot of side effects, and at least 90% of our patients experience one side effect of the drugs that they are given. I checked how they are monitored, and I made recommendations for better monitoring of our patients and patients of similar settings, and our results are now in the process of publication. I also wanted to see if patients are taking their medicines as expected. I developed a collaboration with the developer of the Morisky medication adherence scale. This checks if patients are taking their medicines as prescribed. I translated it to Sinhala, checked if it could be used validly in our patients, and I published my results. I found that 35% of patients are only taking their medicines as expected. The rest are not taking as expected. Also, younger age, poor knowledge on the medicines, and the occurrence of side effects were affecting our patients from taking their medicines properly. There are lots of complaints about poor quality of medicines. It is very important to check this. Finally, but most importantly, I checked the quality of the medicines. This can be best done by a study called a bioequivalence study, where we check the level of the drug in the blood of healthy individuals. I chose the drug sodium valproate, the second most widely used drug, and I developed a method to see very low levels of the drug in the human blood. I got the drug that is given in the National Health Hospital, compared it with its scientifically accepted, validated comparator product coming from the UK. As this graph shows, both products had similar levels in the blood, proving bioequivalence. And now our department is providing bioequivalence testing to the local industry as well with this experience. So therefore, I hope my research will impact on more smiley faces on patients with bipolar disorder. Thank you.